Have you ever let your first ferment go a little too long on the counter, and when you go to bottle it, it's a little sour? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sour kombucha and make it drinkable. This is a 4-step process. The first thing you're going to do is make a new batch of fresh sweetened tea, the same amount of the sour kombucha. So if you used a half-gallon ball jar, such as myself, then make a half-gallon of fresh sweetened tea. The second step is you're going to take the sour kombucha and pour it into second ferment bottles, but only fill the bottles halfway. The third step is once your new sweetened tea has cooled down, you remove the tea bags, go ahead and pour that in with the half-filled bottles, but you're going to fill the bottles up all the way. So essentially you're taking fresh kombucha or starter tea and adding fresh sweetened tea, half and half. The fourth step is you're just going to let it sit and ferment, and it's going to depend on your area. Mine sat for 21 days. The end result is a great batch of kombucha. So here is one of my bottles from the video clip that I showed you. It's nice and bubbly, got some good carbonation, and I didn't put any second flavorings when I did this, but you could definitely do that. So once you fill up your second ferment bottles, if you want to put some strawberry or blueberry, whatever your thing is, go ahead and put that in there. So just know, if you let your kombucha go for a little too long and it's sour, you can fix it. Kombucha is very forgiving. If you'd like to learn about some things you can do with kombucha that's already turned into vinegar, go ahead and click this video here. Or if you'd like to learn about how to make salad dressing with kombucha, then click on the video below it. If you found any value in this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel to learn more about kombucha, and thank you for watching.